Picture a world where machines are capable of simulating human intelligence processes, where algorithms enable computers to learn from data, make decisions, solve problems, and interact in human language. This is the world of artificial intelligence, a profound branch of computer science that dates back to the mid-20th century. The journey of AI, from the inception of the electronic brain, through the periods known as AI winters, to its current state, is a testament to human ingenuity. AI now permeates our everyday lives, from recommendations on your favorite streaming platforms to enabling voice-assisted devices and autonomous vehicles. The transformative power of machine learning, a subset of AI, is shaping our future, making machines not just tools but companions in problem-solving. Our journey in AI continues to deepen as we explore its various subfields. We're teaching machines to identify patterns in data through machine learning. We're enabling them to understand and respond to our language with natural language processing. We're bringing AI into the physical world with robotics and letting it see with computer vision. We're enabling more nuanced interaction with speech recognition. Each of these subfields, distinct yet interconnected, strives towards a common goal: making machines smarter, more responsive, more human. As we stand on the cusp of even more groundbreaking advancements, like artificial general intelligence and AI in quantum computing, we're reminded of the need to carefully navigate ethical considerations. AI's transformative journey is an odyssey of human ambition and intelligence. As we continue to strive towards a world where machines augment our capabilities, remember, this is just the beginning. Join us in shaping a future where AI becomes a seamless part of our daily lives, making our world smarter, more efficient, and more exciting than ever before.